Hello to all my amazing viewers, you all are welcome back again. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make your homemade pasta from scratch. So to make your pasta, first make a nest with your flour on your working surface, then add your egg and your vegetable oil in the center. The perfect oil to use for this recipe is unflavored oil or olive oil. Then use your spatula or a fork to start mixing. Next, use your hand to gently mix in the flour. Continue working on it until you bring it together and form a dough. After you form a dough, knead the dough for at least 8 to 10 minutes. And while kneading your dough, if it still seems too dry, sprinkle some water on it, then continue kneading it until your dough becomes smooth and soft. In case your dough becomes too sticky, dust more flour onto your work surface and continue working on it. When your dough comes together, wrap it with a plastic wrap and let it rest for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, use your rolling pin to gently flatten your dough. When flattening your dough, you can sprinkle flour on it to make the work much easier. After you are done rolling out your dough into your desired thickness, then fold the dough. So fold the dough on a lightly floured surface over itself for like 5 times. Next, use your kitchen knife to cut the roll into strips depending on the type of pasta that you are making. After cutting your dough, you can dust the sliced dough with some flour, and after that your pasta is ready. Then go ahead and prepare your pasta. Next, add your freshly made pasta into the pot of boiled water. Then add some vegetable oil. At this point, you can also add salt. Then cover and let it cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, take it off the heat. Use your strainer to drain the water. Then place your pan on the heat. Spray some vegetable oil. Then add in your sliced onion, your chopped garlic clove. Use your spatula to stir it for about 2 minutes. After you are done stir frying the onion and garlic for a few minutes, add 2 teaspoons of pasta sauce. Use your spatula to give it a quick stir to prevent it from burning while you add the rest of the seasoning. Add the hot chili sauce, soya sauce, add salt, chicken stock cube, dried parsley leaf, and your chili powder. After adding the seasonings, give it a quick stir, then add green and red bell pepper, carrots, and your spring onion. Stir it for a minute, then add in your cooked pasta. And after you are done adding in your cooked pasta, stir fry it for about a minute or two. Then your pasta is ready. Take it off the heat, serve and enjoy your pasta. So guys, my pasta came out looking so delicious and yummy. You can also try out this pasta recipe. You don't need a pasta maker to make this pasta. It's very easy and less time consuming. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do like and share this video. See you all on my next video.